Kardom everyone, and welcome back to my new vlog. I hope you guys are doing great. And so in today's vlog, we'll be unboxing this Kai Crafty. We have ordered these products and we'll be unboxing along with them with Rebecca and Canberra. Let's see their opinion and their feedbacks. Kai Crafty is a new startup, a macrame store. You can check out her IG as well, her Instagram account as Kai Crafty. This store fully handmade products. It's filled with handmade products. So if you love a handmade products to a macrame products, you can check out her Instagram account as Kai Crafty and you can place an order. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel and watch till the end. Kai Crafty is a art and craft store filled with handmade product. So if you don't still know, then please go check out her Instagram ID, Kai Crafty, and you will find all the amazing stuffs, all the handmades and the hard works. And if you too like a macrame and the products, you can place the order to support her, your love.
Kambe all day, right? For Kai Crafty.
OMG from Kai Crafty.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Oh, this one is yours.
This is mine now. Oh.
Yeah.
So these are card now, one power here. Okay, so this is also here, like the time lapse, so for the camera.
Kai Crafty. Kai Crafty, thank you for associating with us. Your support and trust in us are much appreciated. Thank you.
See my bag.
So how do you like the color?
So nice, so pretty.
It's how we order.
We should unbox and then Dana, so that
Kambeso na.
So both of you, how do you like the product of Kai Crafty?
It's excellent.
It's like how you ordered, or
Yes,
feedback
beyond
you-
expectations.
Sister,
Rate 10 from 10.
yeah,
10 upon
like
10.
this is these things you can hold somewhere.
You need to comb it frequently for more much pretty bag and all.
Do you order? You also see.
Kai Crafty, sarangayo.
Thank you, Ni.
So finally, they like the products. The orders arrive and they like the products. So if you guys also like a handmade products, you can check her
Order.
IG account. Will be given in the description. Her IG account, the link, and you can see what you like and place an order. You can customize or anything. It's good to know that they like the products. Thank you, Rebecca, and thank you, Miss Canberra.
Thank you from us also. Bye.
See you in our next vlog. My next vlog.